Samsung remains one of the top brands when it comes to Android smartphones. It even goes head-to-head with Apple. But the key difference is, Samsung's edge lies in its wide range of devices across various price points. From entry-level models to mid-range options, all the way up to powerhouse flagships, Samsung's Galaxy lineup always has something for everyone. So if you're eyeing a Galaxy phone, there's undoubtedly a model that perfectly fits your needs. Hi guys, it's CJ here of YugaTech, and in today's video, we're showcasing 6 Galaxy devices that we believe are the best picks for this year.
And they're all available through YouTube Shopping. With this new feature, items will pop up on your screen for a more convenient online shopping experience.
So without further ado, let's dive right in. Starting off with the most affordable entry on this list, we have the Galaxy A16 5G. While it has been released since the last quarter of 2024, it's still shaping up to be a solid entry-level offering from the brand this year. First of all, it's got a 5G-capable chip, a Super AMOLED display, IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance, and it also has the longest software support by far in the entry-level segment, all for just under 10,000 pesos. Powering the Galaxy A16 5G is the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 combined with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of expandable storage. Yes, it comes with a microSD card slot with support for up to 1.5TB of storage expansion. That's always a plus in our book. At the rear, it features 3 cameras, a 50MP main sensor, a 5MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro lens. Flip it over and there's the 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display running at 90Hz refresh rate. It packs a 5000mAh battery paired with 25 watts of wired charging, and it runs in One UI 6.1 based on Android 14 out of the box.
Check this out via YouTube Shopping
for just 8,620 pesos. Next, we have the Galaxy A26 5G. It's an upgraded A16 with a more powerful chip, a stronger build, and a refreshed design. The phone's updated back panel is hard not to notice, rocking a new look that matches those of the higher-end Galaxy S25 models. Instead of having individual camera rings, the lenses are now combined into one slab. This houses the 50MP main shooter with OIS support, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro lens. Turn it to the front and you're greeted by a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen running at 120Hz refresh rate. It's also covered by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for added screen protection. Under the hood, it's powered by the Samsung Exynos 1380, combined with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, expandable up to 2TB via microSD card slot expansion. Software-wise, it runs the latest One UI 7 based on Android 15, also with 6 years of software support, and it packs a 5000mAh battery with support for 25-watt wired charging. The phone is IP67 rated as well for dust and water resistance.
It's available with big discounts via YouTube Shopping
for just 17,080 pesos. Now, let's move up the price ladder, going upper mid-range. Enter the Galaxy A36 5G, now using a Snapdragon chipset, specifically the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. A 4nm chip from Qualcomm. For config, it has 8GB of RAM with up to 256GB of internal storage. No storage expansion here, sadly. But just like the higher-end models, the Galaxy A36 got an upgraded look as well, especially with that revamped camera island. It houses 3 cameras, a 50MP main shooter with OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 5MP macro lens. Flip to the front, it sports a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display running at 120Hz refresh rate and is powered by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. The phone runs the latest One UI 7 on top of Android 15 and comes with a suite of AI features, the so-called Awesome Intelligence. It even comes with long software support of up to 6 years too. For battery, it packs the usual 5000mAh unit paired with 45 watts of wired charging. This guy also gets an IP67 rating for added layer of protection, and it even has eSIM support plus NFC for added functionality. The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is down at just 19,800 pesos for the 8GB plus 256GB config. Last year's Galaxy A55 has been among the best-selling phones of 2024, and that's not impossible to happen as well with the new Galaxy A56 5G. It's packed with more features than ever, including awesome intelligence, which is Samsung's fancy term for their suite of AI features. Just like its more affordable sibling, the Galaxy A36 5G, the A56 also got a revamped design at the rear, highlighted by its single-camera island housing its triple-camera system. There's the 50-megapixel main shooter with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. Up front, there's the 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and both the display and back panel are protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 is equipped with Samsung's in-house Exynos 1580 chipset, a 4nm chip clocked at up to 2.9 GHz. For config, the phone gets 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage, but no storage expansion is available here. On the software side, it runs the latest One UI 7 based on Android 15 with a long support of up to 6 years. Other notable features include IP67 dust and water resistance, NFC, and eSIM support.
Check this out via YouTube Shopping.
For just 22,640 pesos for the 256GB variant. Moving over to the sub-flagship category, we have the Galaxy S24 FE. Released in the third quarter of 2024, the Galaxy S24 FE is definitely a solid option, especially now that it's priced down to just 26,000 pesos. It's got the signature Galaxy phone design with those 3 individual camera rings. It has a 50-megapixel main shooter with OIS, an 8-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide. Flip the phone over, it boasts a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED display, running at a 120Hz refresh rate. Its front and back panels are also covered by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for added protection. Inside is the Exynos 2400E, a high-end chip with 4nm process and 10-core configuration, clocked at up to 3.1 GHz. It's available in 3 configs with 8GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. Of course, it gets all the AI-powered tools thanks to its support for Galaxy AI. It runs One UI 6 based on Android 14 out of the box, but users should expect the One UI 7 update coming up soon. Battery-wise, it packs a 4,700 mAh unit, combined with 25W of wired charging and 15W of wireless charging. For enhanced protection, it has an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. And for connectivity, it gets NFC with digital key support, and it's already eSIM capable as well.
Check this out via YouTube Shopping.
Available for only 25,690 pesos. Its original price was 39,990 pesos. Lastly, if you want the best of the best, then the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be for you. It's got all the high-end specs, including the most powerful chipset from Qualcomm and the most advanced camera systems out of Samsung's portfolio. Powering the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, configured with 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB of internal storage. And of course, it has all the nifty Galaxy AI features. At the rear, it boasts a quad-camera setup headlined by the 200-megapixel main sensor with OIS and laser autofocus, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, a 50-megapixel periscopic telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and another 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Both telephoto lenses also support OIS. Flip the device over, it sports a 6.9-inch Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2x display with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and is protected by Gorilla Armor 2. On the software side, it runs the latest One UI 7 based on Android 15, with Samsung promising up to 7 years of software updates. For battery, it has the usual 5,000 mAh capacity, compared with 45W wired and 25W wireless charging. It also supports Key 2 wireless charging that should be compatible with most wireless chargers out there. Connectivity-wise, it features NFC, eSIM support, and ultra-wideband. Other notable features include a titanium frame, built-in stylus, and IP68 dust and water resistance.
It's available with big discounts via YouTube Shopping.
For just 79,370 pesos. FYI, the original SRP is at 93,990 pesos. So there you have it. Get these Galaxy phone deals now while prices are still low and available on Shopee, which you can't get anywhere else. Well, at least that's what Shopee wants to guarantee. Again, you may check these products conveniently using YouTube's new shopping feature. We also listed all the product links in the description box and the comment section below. If you find this content helpful and informative, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Follow us on the socials and check out yugintech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! See you later!